What's like Mariner speak? Ahoy, mateys!
I don't think they heard you.
Yeah, I don't think they hear me.
Oh, maybe they did.
Wow!
Wow, look at it. Look at all that storage, bud.
Hey, push.
Just so you can have your lunch, whatever you want. Anyone in the whole room can have lunch. Right?
Is that what you would do with it?
Yeah. What else would you do with the table? Avoid an awful?
Let me just leave this a little open. Just kidding.
Let me look through the old spyglass at the seas today. See if the boats are going. Where did you get that big one?
This is one of my pillow belongs. This is my bag.
Did you read the instructions?
Now, according to the instructions, there's a wrong way and a correct way to turn this into the bed and back to the couch. Allow me to demonstrate the wrong way. Now let me demonstrate the correct way. Feet on the ground. Now I'll demonstrate the wrong way to turn it back to the couch. My back! The correct way. Bend at the knees.
Okay, location option 1. Alright, Ian's gonna take us to crib location number 2. In between the beds.
And the third option, like a glove, if you do put it in front of the lockout door. Note that this is one of the thinner walls we've experienced at a Disney resort. We could actually just hear people talking in the other room. So if your kid you think will be noisy in the night, or your kid gets woken up by other people being noisy, then this might not be the best location.
You found me. I was in the curtain.
Now the curtains that cover the windows are actually constellations themed to Disney characters, so Houndus Loyalist, that's Pluto, or you have Humanus Medius, which is Hercules, and Lioness Regalis, or Simba from the Lion King. Varius Protectus is a bear. I don't know if that's supposed to be Blue from the Jungle Book, but I think it might be Kenai from Brother Bear. I didn't think there was a lot of Disney theming in this room, but if this is a Brother Bear reference, that's one of the deepest cuts I've seen in a Disney theme. Bailey is playfulest. That's Coda. That's Coda. This is a Brother Bear reference. We got a genuine Brother Bear reference right here. Although, when it goes to obscure references, there's also a Ferdinand the Bull reference.
And don't forget to take a moment on your busy trip to look up to the night sky, and you'll see Mermaidus curiosus, Fishius devotius, Horseus wingus, and last but not least, Mousimus jovialis. May your seas be calm, your stars be bright, and may you sail through lines at rope drop tomorrow.
It's time to set sail on the seas.